Welcome back to our channel. Guys, due to some reasons we have changed the name of our channel. So now it's HR Tutors. Okay, without wasting much more time, let's start with our today's lecture. So today we are going to teach with how to find out or how to calculate median by using only 5 steps. Yes, median by using only 5 steps. What are those 5 steps? Do you want to know? Then check out the whole video. Yes, we are going to start with how to find out median for group frequency distribution. Okay, so let's see the formula for it. So formula is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into h. So guide, I will tell you what are the denotations for the formula B. L means L, which is equal to lower class limit of the median class. N, which is equal to sum of frequencies. Small h is equal to class interval of the median class. F is equal to frequency of the median class. And Cf, which denotes cumulative frequency of the class preceding of the median class. Means what are all those meaning? By writing all those names you have previous, I will tell you by step that what L, N, H, F and Cf stands for and how we are going to show it in the table. Okay, so let's start with it. And guys, see to hear it that when writing median formula, it is computerized writing. So I am going to tell you how to write median formula. Is this formula to write in your is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus F upon f into h. I have shown you that how we are writing in your books or how you are writing in your examination formula. Okay, so let's start with our sum. So our starting with our exercise 6.2. Then first sum, the following table shows the classification of number of workers and the number of hours they work in the software company. Okay, find the median of the number of hours they work. So here they have given us the data that daily number of workers working for 8 to 10 hours are 150, 10 to 12 hours are 500, 12 to 14 are 300 and 14 to 16 hours are 50 number of workers. Okay, so let's see the answer. The first you have to draw the 3 columns. The first column will be your classes, that daily number of workers. The second column will be your frequency, that are number of workers. And third, cumulative frequency, that will be less than type, that means your Cf. So you have to first write all those classes and after that you write all those frequencies that given in your table and how to find out summation Fi. So to find summation Fi plus all those values of frequency, you have to add 150 plus 500 plus 300 plus 50. Okay, in this way you have to add all those values and you will get the values of frequency that given in your table. Okay, okay, now finding cumulative frequency. In the table itself they have given. So how to find out cumulative frequency less than type? In you have seen the frequency column, they have written as 150. So just you have to write 150 and after that add 150 plus this 500, that gives you 650. So adding 1500 plus 5 is equal to 650 and after that adding 6500 plus 300, that gives you 65 plus 300, that gives you 950. After that add this 950 plus 50, that gives you answer 100. So by this way you can also find out frequency. So guys, see this summation Fi size is also 1000 and cumulative frequency has also came as 1000. So your answer is also right, you can able to check it. Okay, now just I am telling you how to find out median class for all of this. Okay, what will be your f, what will be your median class, how to find out this, and what will be your cf. So going further, that we have to write it as total number of frequencies, that n is equal to 100, and after that you have to write down the formula, that L plus n by 2 minus cf divided by f into h. Then L is your lower class limit of the median class, then n, which is equal to sum of frequencies, h is equal to class interval of the median class, and f is equal to frequency of the median class, and cf means your cumulative frequency of the class preceding of the median class. Means we have find out frequency without preceding, means the first step that has come to our cf, that will be our cf, means our cumulative frequency. So L is 10, f is equal to 500, cf is equal to 500, cf is also 500, and h is equal to 2. So how do I find out? So put it in the formula, all these values, that h plus. Okay guys, one more thing I want to tell you, that how to find out n by 2. This, see, there's n by 2 you have calculated. So by calculating n by 2, okay, by calculating n by 2, you have you have to just do that n by 2. N means your fi xi, n by 2 means it comes at n by 2, means this comes as 500. So guys, after doing n by 2, you have to see it to it that in cumulative frequency the range of 500 comes in between 150 and 650. Okay, the range comes in between 150 to 650, 650. In between here is 500. So you have to just see that, you have to just see to it that your cf will be less than your previous, okay, preceding ones. It's 150 comes, this 500 comes in between these two, so this one is your cf, and preceding to it, that it will be your f, and y considering your frequency, that your corresponding to it, that will be your median class. So by doing to it that lower class limit, which L means your 10, okay, lower class limit L means your 12, your f will be your 500, your cf will be 150. Okay, in that way you have to write these further steps. See, by saying this, L is your 10, f is your 500, cf is your 500, and h is your 2. So just put all these values in your formula and just substitute. L is your 10, L means your lower class, I have shown you previously, n means 500, n by 2 500, cf means your 1150, f is your frequency, and h is your 2. H means your class interval. See, h means class interval of the median classes. Okay, and after that, after adding, just subtract 500, just subtract 500 minus 550, that gives you 350. So multiply 350 into 2, that gives you 700. So 100 plus 10 plus 700 divided by 50, which gives you 10 plus 0 cut, this c, in 750 0 cuts, then what will be left? 7 upon 5. So just divide 5 by 7, that gives you 1.4. So 10 plus 1.4, that gives you 11.4. So therefore the median of the number of hours, the median of the number of hours the worker deal is 11.4. okay, now next, see, yes guys, second question you should try by yourself. It's just like your previous sum. Okay, so you have to just try the second sum by yourself. Now we are going for exercise number 2.3, third sum. The following table shows the classification of number of vehicles and their speed of Mumbai Express Highway. Okay, find the median of the data. So where is our data? Yes, here is our data. So by seeing the data, average speed of vehicle to 60 to 40 kilometer per hour, there are 10 number of vehicles: 64 to 69, 34, 70 to 74, 50, 75 to 79, 85, 79 to 84, 10, 84 to 89, 6. Okay. Six. Yes, in this way you have to draw the classes, that 4 tables. Yes, in previous I have told you to draw 3 tables, but in this I am telling you to draw 4 tables. But for what purpose, I will tell you now. Classes for number of vehicles, continuous classes, that will become frequency and cumulative frequency. Okay, in classes you can able to see that the classes are not continuous classes. See, 64 to 65, 65 to 69, 70 to 74, 75 to 79, 80 to 84, 85 to 89. The classes are not continuous classes. That's why, guys, you have to do the classes, you have to set all the classes to be continuous. So in the first and the last, you have to, in first you have to, the 60 you have to minus the value, that is 0.5. Okay, and in second stage, in this 64 you have to add 0.5. Okay, just we have to add and subtract 0.5 from both the intervals or both the classes. So by subtracting 60 minus 0.5, the answer comes you as 59.4, and by adding 64 plus 0.5, the answer comes you as 64.5. Just now going to our second observation, 65 minus 0.5, that gives you 64.5, and by adding 69 plus 0.5, that gives you 69.5. Okay, in this way you can able to sort out all those columns. Just in all these you have to subtract 0.5, and from last intervals you have to just add 0.5. Okay, then there will be continuous classes. See, okay, and after that write all those frequency that given in your question. For doing summation fi, you have to just add 10, 34, 55 plus 85 plus 10 plus 6, that gives you 200. And how to find out, cumulative frequency, that see that 10 plus 34 gives you 44, then 44 plus 55 gives you 99, then 99 plus 85 gives you 184, 184 plus 10 gives you 194, and 194 plus 6 gives you 200. Okay, guys, this 10 comes from this frequency. You have to just write down the first frequency as same. Okay, then by seeing this, your summation fi and your cumulative frequency are same. So 200, 200, all both are same. That's why your frequency and your cumulative frequency are right. How to find out cumulative frequency median class, that is means your L means your lower limit. Just see to it here that there are total number of frequency n, which is equal to 200. Just you have to divide n by 2, that comes 200 by 2, that gives you 100. So from how to find out cumulative frequency L, that means lower class limit, from this you have to calculate 100. Okay, by seeing the table, your n by 2 value comes it as 100. So in this 99.184, in between lies 100. Okay, so you have to select the lower class. Okay, that means 99 will be your CF, and your preceding class means your F, this means 85. See, in this case 99 will be your cumulative frequency, then F will be your 85, and you will not consider 75 as your L means your lower class limit, you will consider 74.5 your lower class limit. Okay, because you have changed it to this, means you have changed classes to your continuous classes. Means you have changed your classes into continuous classes. So let's L is your 74.5, F is your 85, CF is your 99, and H will be your 5. H means your interval between the classes. Okay, so writing the median formula, L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So just substitute values of L as 74.5, n by 2 comes it as 100, so that's why, and your CF is 99 and your H is 5. Okay, now just 74.5 plus n means 100 minus 9, 99 gives you 1. That's why 1 upon 17. Okay, and after that 74, just 1 divided by 7 gives you 0.6. That means 74.5 74.5 plus 0.06, that gives you 74.56. Okay, therefore the median of the data is 74.56 vehicles, that is 75 vehicles, means approximately equal to 75. Okay, now starting with our fourth sum, the product of electric bulbs in different factories is shown in the following table. The median of, find the median of the population. Okay, by seeing the table, there are number of bulbs in products that are in thousands, means 30,000 to 40,000 there are 12 number of factory to produce. 40 to 50,000 there are 35 factories. 50 to 60,000 there are 20 factories. 60 to 70,000 there are 15 factories. 70 to 80,000 there are 8 factories. 80 to 90,000 there are 7, and 90 to 100,000 means 1 lakh there are 80, there are 8 factories. Okay, so in this you have to just draw 3 columns. In previous sum you have drawn 4 columns. In this you are drawing 3 columns. Why, guys? See to hear it that all the classes are in continuous mode, between 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, and so on till up to 100. So write all those frequency, just add 12 plus 35 plus 20 plus 15 plus 8 plus 7 again plus 8. So that gives you summation Fi as 105. After that you have to write first frequency as this. Okay, and after that you have to add 12 plus 35, that gives you 47. Just add 47 plus 20, that gives you 67. 67 plus 15 gives you 82. 82 plus 8 gives you 90. 90 plus 7 gives you 97, and 97 plus 8 gives you 105. So guys, frequency, summation of frequency and this cumulative frequency is equal, so our answer is right. Just now how to find out cumulative frequency, how to find out frequency, and how to find out median class. Okay, just there are total number of frequency, write as n is equal to 105. After that n by 2 comes as 52.5. so guys, in this table you are going to see to it that 12.35 and 67 means answer for n by 2, answer for n by 2 comes as 52.5. so in this table 52.5 comes in between this 47 and 67 in between. So you have to write previous classes as preceding classes as CF, means your 47 is your CF, and corresponding to it 12 is your F, means your frequency, and that's why your median class will be 50 to 60. That's why this whole term is your median classes. Okay, so L will be your, by seeing to it that L is means 50, F is 20, CF is, what is CF? Yes, 50 to 60 is your median classes. L is your 50, F is your 20, CF is 47, and H is 10. Okay, so median is equal to L plus, writing the formula of median for group frequency distribution, L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Substituting the values of L 50 plus n by 2 values, here you have seen that 52.5, and CF means your 47, F gives you 20. From here you can able to see h is 10, means class interval. Just subtract 52.5 minus 47, that gives you 7.5, and just subtract 22, that's divide 20 from 10, that gives you 2. After that 55.2 gives you 2.7. okay, so adding 50 plus 2.7, adding 50 plus 2.7 gives you 52.75 thousand. See guys, in the question itself you have seen that, in the question itself you have seen that, what you have seen, what you have seen, all the products are in 1000. okay, all the products are in 1000, so that's why our answer will come it as in 1000. So 52.7 thousand, so 52 multiplying it by 1000, so 52750, this will be our answer. Therefore the median of the products in 52750 lamps. okay guys, previously I have promised you to tell those 5 steps. okay, so by seeing all the three sum, you have concluded that, means step by step you have concluded that 5 steps. okay, so in shortcut method I will tell you all those 5 steps. So steps for median, for group, frequency, distribution. Before seeing these steps you have to watch all the 3 questions, then only you can able to identify or can able to guess all those 5 steps very easily. So the first step is prepare a table of 3 columns. okay, second step is first column will be of class interval, second column will be of frequency, third will be of cumulative frequency, that means your CF. The third will be find the total number of frequencies with summation Fi(xi) is equal to n, and calculate n by 2 by using this. okay, by using this. Find cumulative frequency less than type, which is just greater than or equal to n by 2, its corresponding classes in median classes. okay, finding the cumulative frequency less than type, I have taught you how to find out cumulative frequency, and finding out n by 2, and in that you have to just between which two classes are in between, only you have to see that, finding the uppermost classes of CF, that means your CF, and corresponding to it will be your median classes. okay, and the last step is calculate median by using formula, what about median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF into H. okay, these are all 5 steps that I want to tell you. By seeing these 5 steps guys, first you have to watch all the video. okay, hope so guys you have understood our today's lecture. So guys, please like, share and comment your doubts in below comment section, and do subscribe and click on the bell option. okay guys, in next video we are going to teach with how to find out or how to calculate mode for group frequency distribution. okay, so till then stay happy, stay home and stay safe. Bye.